Good morning. I know that many of you have posted some great thoughts on the discussion board, but I thought I would put a little tutorial so you would know what I was talking about when I say to copy paste your ideas, your essays into to the threads I've created. So here's the first page of our course. Whether you're going through the module or you're going through the discussion link, it's the same thing. So we're going to go to lesson 3 discussion, and your group will pop up. And you'll scroll down and you'll see that there's the instructions and the questions and some references that you can use and some further instructions on making sure that you comment on your classmates' responses to get full credit. And then you'll see these two threads. There's the first question and the second question. The easiest thing to do is just to click on reply and then either write in your brilliance or to just copy paste it in there. Okay, so that's all you have to do. And then, of course, click post reply. And then the reason we do this is so that your thoughts are organized one at a time, so that your classmates can look at your thoughts for one question and respond, and look at your thoughts on the other question and respond. This kind of helps us keep some semblance of organization. This will continue throughout the course, and so later you'll see it helps you make good comments. Again, the assignment is to make sure that you post your initial thoughts on Wednesday by midnight. And then the other part of the assignment is to respond to 3 to 5 of your classmates. And you can just do that by clicking reply to their thoughts. Also, you can click up. You can like different things if you want to just like them. But in order to get full credit, you do need to respond with a well thought out response. And a well thought out response isn't is not I like your ideas. I think they're great. That will not get you credit. You need to respond why you like it, and then with further analysis, or why you disagree with something, and then explain why you disagree. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any more questions or concerns, and we will get you taken care of. Thanks.